Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to work through an essay on the topic, My Family. Now before we start breaking down the sample essay, let's think about why this topic is so important. When teachers ask students to write about their family, it's not only about describing who lives in your house, it's about showing the values, the love, and the lessons we learn from the people closest to us. So in this narration, I'll guide you step by step, explaining how each line of the essay works and giving you ideas for what you can write in your own version. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to write a well-organized and heartfelt essay about your family. Let's start with the introduction. The essay begins with the sentence, "Home is not just a place made of bricks and walls. It is where love, care, and trust live." Now, this opening is powerful because it doesn't just talk about the physical house, it sets the tone by talking about emotions. When you're writing your own essay, you should always try to begin with a thought-provoking line. It could be something like, "A family is not defined by its size, but by the love that holds it together." A sentence like this immediately grabs the reader's attention. The next part of the introduction says, "For me, that place is my family. My family is the most precious part of my life because they give me strength, happiness, and support in everything I do." This is a clear thesis statement. It explains what the essay is about. Notice how it directly states the importance of family and also mentions three qualities: strength, happiness, and support. If you're writing, you can choose different words that match your feelings. Maybe comfort, love, and encouragement. But the point is to make your reader understand why your family is special to you. Now let's move into the second paragraph, where we describe the members of the family. Here, the essay says, "There are 5 members in my family: my father, my mother, my younger sister, my younger brother, and me." This is a simple way to introduce your family structure. You can do the same by listing your family members. For example, you might have grandparents living with you, or maybe you live in a smaller family with just parents and one sibling. Then, each member is described briefly. The essay continues. "My father, Mr. Daniel Carter, works as an engineer. He is hardworking and always teaches me the value of honesty and discipline." This is a really good style because it gives both the name and the quality of the father. When you write about your own father or guardian, try to share not just their job, but also what you've learned from them. It makes your essay more personal. Next, it says, "My mother, Mrs. Laura Carter, is a school teacher. She is the heart of our family, caring for all of us with patience and love." Notice here how the mother is described not only by her profession, but also by her role in the family. Words like the heart of the family give warmth to the essay. The paragraph continues with siblings. "My younger sister Emily is in middle school, and my little brother James is the most playful member of our family." This is short but effective. It tells us the age group and personality. In your essay, you can add hobbies, special habits, or fun facts about your siblings to make it lively. The third paragraph focuses on what makes the family special. It says, "What makes my family special is the way we support each other. We always eat dinner together, share our experiences from the day, and help one another in times of need." This is an excellent example because it shows everyday habits that strengthen bonds. You can write about your own routines, maybe family prayers, game nights, or even cooking together. Simple details make your essay realistic. Then it adds, "Whenever I face difficulties in studies, my parents guide me and my siblings cheer me up." This shows how family members take care of each other in different ways. In your writing, think about a moment when your family helped you. Maybe your parents encouraged you before an exam, or your brother or sister made you laugh when you were sad. These small touches make your essay heartfelt. Next comes the fourth paragraph, which describes family activities. It says, "Weekends are my favorite time because we often go to the park or watch movies together at home." This is very relatable. Teachers like when students show how they spend quality time with family. You can add your own experiences. like family trips, celebrating birthdays, or even simple things like eating ice cream together on a Sunday. The essay continues. These small moments create beautiful memories that make our bond stronger. Even during tough times, we stand together like a team, and that gives me courage. This is a beautiful thought because it shows unity. When you write, don't forget to show how your family stands together, not only in happy times, but also in challenges. That balance makes the essay realistic. Then we move to the fifth paragraph, which talks about values. The essay says, "My family has also taught me important values like kindness, respect, and responsibility. I have learned from my parents that love and understanding are the foundation of a happy life." This is such a strong addition because it goes beyond just describing people. It explains what lessons you gain from them. When you write your essay, try to think about the life lessons your family has given you. Maybe it's about sharing, about honesty, or about working hard. Mentioning values shows maturity in your writing. Finally, we have the conclusion. The essay ends with, "In conclusion, my family is not just a group of people living together. It is my source of happiness, inspiration, and strength. I feel blessed to be part of such a loving family, and I know that no matter where life takes me, their support will always be with me." This is a very strong closing because it summarizes everything and ends on a thankful note. When you write your own essay, always wrap it up by showing appreciation. It makes the reader feel the importance of your family in your life. So, to sum it up, when writing an essay on my family, begin with an emotional introduction. Describe your family members one by one. Talk about what makes your family special. Share your activities. Explain the values you've learned. And then close with a heartfelt conclusion. If you follow this structure, your essay will not only be well organized, but also full of warmth and meaning. And that's it for today's video on writing tutorials. I hope this step-by-step narration has helped you understand how to write a beautiful essay on my family. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more writing tips and essay guides.